Are you visiting Tokyo soon? Well, here's my essential 5-day starter kit itinerary to help you plan your trip. Let's get started. The first and most obvious place to start is everyone's favorite spot. You know which one, right? No? Alright, well, let's just wait for the beat to drop.
Shibuya.
Oh, wow, what a surprise. Ah, the Scramble Crossing. This is the face of Tokyo. You could literally spend all day and all night here. I used to take this place for granted, but now that I live in the countryside, there's just something so fun and refreshing about it, which explains why this is the go-to meeting place for many of us. The thing I love about Tokyo is the many Japanese fast food chains like this one, which I'd say are still healthy, and you can get things like udon, sushi, and tempura. Wait, hold on. This guy trying to interrupt my narration? What are you trying to say? Well, a countdown? Oh god, what happens when we get to 0? Oh god, wait, hold on. Anyways, beyond central Shibuya, walking just a bit extra will take you to Cat Street, which I don't think has anything to do with cats, and Harajuku, where you can just keep walking and shopping and exploring. And this recently opened Tokyo Plaza's rooftop is also a nice place to chill. It's up to you how much time you want to spend in Shibuya, but like I said, this is an all-day and all-night location to enjoy. Next up, you need to visit Asakusa, which, depending on where you stay, can be a little far. Like in my case, I had to take the Ginza line from one side to the other. Asakusa is firstly home to the Sumida River, where you can get a good view of the Tokyo Sky Tree and the Asahi Beer building. Asakusa is also home to Kaminarimon and the Sensoji Temple, where you can bathe yourself in the sea of humans. I mean, I swear this place is more concentrated than Shibuya. Just look how narrow this passage is. Oh, and here's a clip of me enjoying some Belgian fries on one of the corners of the street. What you could also do is get on one of these weird UFO tour boats to Ryogoku, which is home to the sumo stadium. I mean, I couldn't get any tickets, but hey, at least I got to eat some monjayaki. And then as it gets closer to the evening, you can go back and up the Tokyo Sky Tree to get a beautiful view of the city in the sunset. Next up, in my opinion, is a very underrated spot in Tokyo. I mean, last time I went, it was basically empty. It's the futuristic artificial island called Odaiba. Again, it's a bit far to reach, but one way to get there is via that UFO boat from earlier. You can enjoy the nice breeze, the view, and the journey underneath the Rainbow Bridge. Not to be mistaken with the Rainbow Road from Mario Kart, although this is literally a road. And then you'll be greeted by the Death Star looking Fuji TV HQ. You know, as much as this is a futuristic island, I don't ever remember seeing the Statue of Liberty here. one person, or robot I should say, you need to meet is our big old friend Gundam. Miraikan, which literally means future museum, is another place to check out if you're already on the futuristic island. After enjoying the beautiful sunset, you can get on the fully automated overhead Yurikamome line from Odaiba, through the Rainbow Road, bridge, and then get off at Shinbashi, where you can have dinner at one of the many izakayas out there. Oh, and here's a clip of me enjoying some tamago kake gohan to end the day. Next place you need to visit is Shinjuku, which is similar to Shibuya because you can access it easily because it's the busiest station in the world. I mean, have you seen the memes of people getting lost? From this giant 3D cat and kabukicho, I don't know if it's just me, but Shinjuku just gives off this gigantism vibe where all the buildings and roads just feel big. Big enough for our big friend, Godzilla. Like I said, this is the busiest station in the world, and even I get lost here every time. For lunch, I ate at one of these teishoku chain restaurants, which are just such great value because you can get everything you need on one tray. You can then hop back onto the train to Akihabara, another favorite for many of us. Here, you can bathe yourself in all the anime and idol action if that's what you're into. Or you could instead explore these giant electronic and game shops. I mean, that's why it's called Electric Town, right? And finally, check out Tokyo Station, but at night. During the day, it's just a big office area, but at night, it gives off this expensive, luxury, classy vibe. Matter of fact, stop playing this traditional music. Play some more matching jazzy music or something. Yeah, alright, that's better. Oh man, I don't think music has ever matched a video this well before. I mean, just look at these views though. As you can see, the station doesn't actually look that Japanese, and that's because it was originally inspired by Western buildings. If anything, it looks more like Amsterdam's Central Station, don't you think? And for dinner, I had some Chinese food with the family, which is very common in Japan. And that concludes my 5-day starter kit itinerary for Tokyo. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're planning to visit Tokyo soon, hopefully this video was useful for you. But with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the future. Bye bye.